making living rooms sound better. Number 2. Many people buy speakers and place them in their rooms, but the sound effects they expect are not being produced. The reason is simple. Most of the rooms in the home are surrounded by rigid walls. The sound from the speakers will be reflected and cannot absorb the extra sound. The sound bounces around the room, resulting in an extended reverberation period and low-frequency standing waves that lead to unclear audio. Even if you invest in high-end speakers, the audio quality will still be poor. This room has glass windows on the side, a wooden floor, and rigid walls. The room might include some lovely, solid wood furniture. But remember that it doesn't help absorb sound. The sound quality will suffer significantly if the room acoustics aren't addressed. In this video, we will show you easy ways to improve the sound quality of your living room sound system using common household items. The solution is to use soft sofa, throw pillows, large stuffed animals, curtains, carpets, and sound art acoustic panels. Next, please note the following 2 points. 1. The thickness of the sound-absorbing material affects the range of frequencies it can absorb. Thin materials, such as curtains and carpets, are effective primarily at absorbing high frequencies. Soft sofas, throw pillows, and large stuffed animals can absorb medium and low frequencies. 2. The weight of a sound-absorbing material is essential for how well it absorbs sound. Lightweight items like stuffed animals and throw pillows filled with silk cotton do not effectively absorb sound. On the other hand, soft sofas and unique sound-absorbing panels work much better. Generally, thicker and heavier materials are more effective at reducing sound. When performing acoustic treatment in the living room, we usually consider aesthetics and do not diffuse the sound, making it challenging to absorb low frequencies. Focusing on the mid-range and high frequencies that the human ear is most receptive to will make the audio quality pleasing enough. One alternative is to position the speakers as close to you as possible. This allows you to hear more direct sound and less reflected sound. That's all for this time. We hope you have a great time. Welcome to our Aperion University series. Here, we will introduce you to basic acoustics knowledge and uncomplicatedly. We hope it will help you. If you like it, please follow us.